Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name's Arietta and today I want to share a new craft activity with you. So whilst I was away celebrating Beltane this year, I took part in a little crafty circle. I'll pop a picture up so you can see, and we were taught how to make these really cute little fly agaric mushrooms. I really enjoyed the process. It was really relaxing, and I wanted to do more. So I, after coming home, have been purchasing a few crafty bits, and in amongst one of my recent TEMU orders, I put 2 felting kits. So that's what we're going to have a look at today. So let's just set my little mushroom off to one side. So we've got a busy bee and a little strawberry piggy. So these ridiculously were, when I purchased them, they were both priced at £1.98. I will put links down below so that you can see if they're still available on the website, and if so, how much they are now. Obviously in the UK, TEMU is relatively new to us, and so there's lots of opening sales, new customer sales. Pretty much if you're doing a reasonable sized order, you can get it at 50% off without too much trouble at the moment. So it's well worth taking a peek. So let's have a look and see what we get in these kits. Hopefully there won't be anything else that I need to go and purchase in order to have a go. Okay. I would imagine these are going to be super tiny, but that's fine. So we've got... Oh, I was thinking this was going to be instructions, but no. What we've got is a QR code scan to view teaching video. So that's fine. I will have a look at that and see what it suggests. And it reckons that this is a 1-to-1 scale of what it's going to be. So that's good to know. We've got, this is the eyes and a little keychain thingamy to attach it afterwards. And interestingly, they've given us 4 eyes. So even though obviously the pig only needs 2. So it's nice to know that you're getting spares. This is our felt here. So we've got the bright pink, a white pale colour, bright green, red, obviously lots of pink for the main body of the piggy. And in here, yeah, we've got our felting needles. There's 3 in here. I don't know if the camera's going to pick this up at all, but they are slightly barbed on the ends, and that is what allows you to felt the... It catches on the fibres and knots them together essentially. So these are very sharp and dangerous. Keep them away from children. I can see completely why this is how they've packaged them. It seems like a very safe way to do so. So that's our little piggy. Keep all those bits to one side, and I would assume that this will be much the same. So yeah, same again, we've got the 1:1 scale drawing, the QR code for the teaching, same little keychain extras, again double set of eyes. Doesn't say anywhere that you can make 2 with this much of stuffing of felt, so I would imagine that they are just for the sake of spares. And then again we've got our 3 needles for felting. So yeah, I'm gonna go and look up the videos now and see how easy it is to follow those instructions, and I might have a little go. So yeah, I will of course update you on this progress. For me, it is a new skill that I'm just learning, and I'm sure that doing this will be quite different from learning in a craft circle with, you know, someone who is very knowledgeable being there to kind of point you in the right direction and show you exactly not only what to do but also help you if you've made a mistake. So but yeah, I've super enjoyed it, and I'm hoping that this will be just as enjoyable. Do let me know down in the comments if you have tried needle felting. If you have, where did you get your kit? What did you make? Let me know. And if you want to come over to the Crafty Coven on Facebook, you can share pictures of things that you've made. We would love to have you there. So I'm going to leave this here. Please do consider to leave a like, share, subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you in the next one. Stay crafty!
Purchasing items like this to try wouldn't be possible without the help of my generous patrons. A massive, massive thank you to each and every one of you. And welcome to my newest patron, Roxy Cleary.